Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for Pokémon Home Error Code 10015. The error reads, "An error has occurred, returning to the title screen." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to transfer their Pokémon in Pokémon Home. According to our research, this error happens when a Pokémon fails the legitimacy check. This usually means that one or more Pokémon being transferred may be hacked, genned incorrectly, or missing a valid home tracker. Cloned Pokémon can sometimes pass through if they are originally obtained within the game, but hacked Pokémon without proper legitimacy will trigger this error. Now let's come to fixes for the error. If you're transferring too many Pokémon at once, this could be triggering the error. Try transferring one box or fewer at a time and see if that helps. Since this error is caused by an illegitimate Pokémon, go through your Pokémon one by one to find the one triggering the error. Start by moving Pokémon you know are legitimate and then check if the error still occurs. Some players have found that the Pokémon obtained through trades caused the issue. If you have any traded Pokémon, they might be flagged. So first try moving only Pokémon you caught yourself first. Also, some players have reported getting the error, even with Pokémon they caught and hatched themselves. If you are sure your Pokémon are legitimate but still see the error, it could be due to an unresolved bug. In this case, wait for an update or report the issue to Pokémon Home support. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.